There, how do we look? Do we look handsome?
Let me have a sneeze. You know,
What?
so I did just from this.
Oh, yes.
Just let me
Welcome
just-
back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, I got a special request. Not from one of my viewers, but this is from me. Because I sorely messed up the other day when Patrick said he could bring something down from foreign. Because I need some GoPro Enduro batteries real bad because I'm running low. And so what I was hoping to do is if somebody's coming to Kingston, if you're coming to Montego Bay, it's not going to work. But if you're coming to Kingston, it can work for us. And what I do is I just send you 2 of them. And maybe the little charger that goes with them. And you could put that in your checked luggage or whatever. Or your checked luggage. And it should be no problem. And then when you get here, then we can link up. Maybe have a cup of coffee, whatever. And then I can get my batteries from you. And I would really, really appreciate that because I can't buy them here. I can't even order them here from foreign and get them sent here. Now that maybe there's some way with some certain service I can get, but I'm not aware of it. So if you know of some service that does that sort of thing, or if you know of anybody coming, or if you're coming, you know, let me know. Right now we're going into Hampton Court to the Superette. And so I said to Madge, let's just put the camera on the dash and do a little quick video and tell everybody what the situation is. And, you know, it never hurts to ask. So, I couldn't decide if I should go in and take some videos inside. This is going to be a really short video, only a couple minutes long, but that's okay. It's just a little call out to everybody, just a little shorty. So, anyway, I might put this on my Instagram and on my Facebook too because I need to learn how to do those and start getting those going. Because right now I'm just strictly YouTube.
To do what?
To let people know, but also I need to figure out how to do Instagram and Facebook.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Now one of the people we follow from Kenya, real nice man, Marwa. He was going to have what they call a master class on YouTube. And I was hoping to get signed up for that because even though I'm, you know, fairly successful right now on YouTube, and we've got a good number, we got over 7,000 subscribers now.
I think he started in November, the master class.
Yeah, but I'd like to get on that and find out, you know, what, I may not change anything I do, but maybe I would learn something. So anyway, give a smile to the camera, sweetie. And I'm gonna have to move this. Because it wants to go. I always want to talk about my camera, you know.
Yeah.
But this is what the whole video, this one's about, is just talking about people helping out Red Button Journal team here. So let's do our ending. Okay, thanks for joining us, viewers and subscribers. And we really appreciate it when you subscribe. It really means a lot to us. We're trying to get 7,500 pretty soon. And boy, I felt how the car vibrated when that big old truck went by. So we're trying to get some subscribers, you know. And comments really help. And the like, when you hit the like, that really helps. And be sure and tell your friends about us. And, you know, share this with them and let them know about Red Button Journal. We haven't been doing a video every single day like we'd hoped to do. It just got to be too much. So we kind of backed off a little bit. But there'll be times we may do one every day, but we'll do, you know, we're doing a few a week, and we're feeling better. I mean, you can probably hear in my voice, I'm feeling much better. Don't I sound better? I haven't had to clear my throat one time or sniffle one time, so I'm really doing strong. So thank you all for the prayers. But anyway, big up yourself, bless up yourself. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal. And what do you say?
Amen.
That's right, people. Stay safe and comfy, and amen. From my baby Madge.
One word.
Don't know what. You just waited till the very end to do it.
Yeah,
All right. Later, people. Later.